Okay, today I want to go through my Euro USD trade, which I entered on the 3rd and exited on the 3rd. First of all, I want to say thank you to everyone that's donated on my Just Giving account for my cycle. I'm cycling across Central America, doing 800 kilometers in 9 days. That's just under 100 kilometers per day for Macmillan Cancer. So anyone could donate anything, that would be much appreciated. The link is on my YouTube channel. Or failing that, it's justgiving.com/Sean Smith, which is basically the same as my YouTube channel. Okay, starting off, we're on the USD daily. As I've said now for a while, this has been a massive fourth wave, as you can see here. Massive consolidation period, which we seem to have been in. Then we've breached this kind of period today. Really, it's popped up out of the highs and it's not really looked back. So this is the key area here. This was a Thursday, Friday time, where you've got this strong belt holding candle, which shows you basically it's gonna break out of this. There's no way that resistance around there is going to hold after this candle from down here. You'll notice from back down here, the 55 is held here, which is this maroon line. The 55 is held here. It comes up, comes down, it holds again. Which is a higher low than this, and then it pops up, comes back to the 55 again. Don't forget this is the daily chart now. Pops up, comes back down to the 55 again. So the guys that want an aggressive entry, this is where you should be looking to get long. That's quite a high probability trade there. It's done it twice already, so chances are third time. If you want to risk 200 pips, 300 pips to make about 1,000 pips, then that's the kind of long-term trades you're looking for. You buy it around there, you hold it till you go. Let's get the crosshair out. Let's do this properly. So you buy it around 1400, and you're looking to come out around 47s, 48s, 148, 44, 48. Sorry. So we're not quite there yet. Somewhere around up here, 47.21. This Fibonacci line up here. This is where this is going. So this is this is where you want to be coming out of the trade if you're doing it long term. Okay, back to today's trade. This is the daily, as I said. If I go into the 4 hour, I can show you my actual entry point. I actually didn't show you this on the forum. I didn't have time to post it. Today's been quite a manic day, so I didn't have time to actually post the entry. My entry was 42.79, which I'll post when I post this video, which was the close of this candle and the open of this candle here. Now you can see you get your MACD signal here. That's your trigger point. However, you should have done your research and found out obviously that this is from Friday. It's a strong move upwards. There's strong momentum and motion in the market. So therefore, you want to be getting long of this anywhere in this region here. So as I've said before, you've got this strong belt holding candle here, which is showing great momentum to the upwards direction. So basically anywhere in this region here where my mouse is now, this is where you want to be getting long. Now that's if you're aggressive. You can get long or anywhere around here. I wouldn't say go long on the close or the open of one of these 4 hour candles. Wait for a pullback to an EMA, possibly this trend line here. You can see this is from a longer term time frame. A touch of the 8 EMA. As soon as it touches that 8 EMA, that's when you want to be buying. I actually waited for that close of that candle, which is this candle here, and the open was at 79s, I think it was. So that's exactly where I entered the trade. The reason why I didn't wait for a pullback is because basically what you've got here is you've got a consolidation period. The market's come down. It's made a higher low than this over here. So you can see that this area over here is lower than this here. So you've got there's a strong signal there that you've got higher prices to come. That box range there pops out of that, comes back, and this is where you want to be getting long. So I knew this wasn't going to pull back from this point here, because it's already done that here. If that makes sense to you. So it's popped up, it's waited for the 80 EMA, bit of consolidation, ready to go again. So yeah, that was that basically. If you want price targets for this move, I actually took about 200 ticks off this, 200 pips off this. I predicted quite an aggressive move up. What you can do is you can use your old Fibonacci again, and you can just count on 3 to 4 lines from where the actual price stopped. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. That's your initial target, which it's probably what, 20 pips. That's your initial target. There's your secondary target up here. Around the 21. If you'd been watching a smaller time frame, you would have noticed that the price action literally just blasted through all these levels. And I'll show you on the hourly chart why I've come out now. Just to net those. I think it was, what is it? I think it came out at. I'll show you on the hourly chart actually. Okay, if we go down into the 1 hour chart now, this is the hourly chart. So this is exactly where I've come out at this 24s. I think I came out was the level. 23s is the Fibonacci extension point. The reason why I've got that is that you can see that from this strong move up on Friday, it's pulled back. It's not even got back to the 38.2 retracement. So you can count. This is your line where it's come back to really. So you just count 3 on from there. 1, 2, 3. That's your extension point. If you did use this as your retracement point, just count on 3 from that. And that's your primary target. So you got 1, 2, 3. That's your primary target. Secondary target is that one there. So that's exactly where I came out, netting me just shy of 200 pips, which was quite quick, easy money really. You could have also exited this trade on the 5-minute chart as well. So if I just go through that now, this is kind of the area. So you're in a trending market here, a strong aggressive move up, comes back, which you're expecting, pulls away again, puts in a higher high, comes back down again, holds that level. This is where you want to be getting out basically, where it does this. So it makes makes a lower high around 38. So that's if you really want to net some more pips in there basically. I'd already taken, as I said, I came out at 24s around here. I think I actually came out around here. I'll just get the crosshair out so I can show you the exact point at which I came out. Yeah, this point here, I have my finger on the button, and this is exactly where I came out. If this had popped up and gone from, this had popped up and come out of that level on the 1 hour chart, which you can see here. Remember that was the 5-minute. If it popped out of there, then you're really looking to use a trailing stop or a 3-bar rule to kind of lock in as much profit as you can from this aggressive move up today. What we're going to expect now is a bit of a pullback and a go again probably on the 4-hour chart. 47s is where we're looking at. Is kind of the intermediate target for this, for where it's going. Okay, I hope that helps. And as I said, any of you that can donate anything to my Just Giving account, which is justgiving.com/Sean Smith, kind of like my YouTube.